How to change video quality on BiliBili. If your video is buffering or you want better clarity on BiliBili, then you can easily adjust the video quality. First of all, open your web browser and type in bilibili.tv and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your BiliBili account. Once you're inside the home page of BiliBili logged in, go ahead and click on any video you want to watch. And once the video starts to play, go ahead and look for the playhead at the bottom and click on this little 480p option, which is currently showing me as 480p in my case. It might show 144, 240 or 360 in your case. Just click on this button over here. Now in the pop-up, select the quality you want to change to for your video. Choose your desired resolution and you'll be able to change the video quality. Some resolutions like 1080p or higher may require VIP. The video quality usually auto-adjusts based on your connection. And that's it. Now you can control your viewing experience on BiliBili, whether you want smoother playback or the best video quality. If your video is buffering, you want to go to a lower resolution, and that's how you can switch between quality for your video in bilibili.tv. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.